Hello, I wanted to see what I can get for Amy Bradley. I pulled her cards before. In this deck there was something about nightclub, musician, wedding singer. I'm sure I wrote it down. I don't know which pad it's in, but I'm going to start anew and see what we get. So, Amy Bradley, what happened after you left the cruise ship? Give us some clues to what happened after you left the cruise ship. Amy Bradley, what happened after you left the cruise ship? What happened? Where did you go? Where were you taken? Where did you go after you left the cruise ship? Amy Bradley. Alright. So this one I saw standing out before I started the reading. Danger. What do we have here? Oh God. The Speed Punk Band. Alright, I feel like I'm going back. Sailor Girl. The Dog, a Pinup Girl. Hope. Pause. Idleness. Laziness. Eat Your Greens. Health and Nutrition. And a Bigfoot, Sasquatch. Maybe near a, what are they called? Boy Scouts camp? Double vision, double life, double seeing double. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 other souls that this might have happened to. What I am noticing is, so I have the picture up, this picture up, and clearly, for here, if that's her on the left, is longer. So short, camp, souls, what's this? Danger, pinch point, hazard, keep hands clear. Where would that be at? Where would you find this sign at? Falling ice hazard. What's a pinch point hazard? 10 warning pinch point hazards. Keep hands clear. Rollers. Alright. What's her name? Brady, Canada. And I'm looking up Amy Bradley. L-E. Pinch point hazard. Let's Google it. Pinch point. Definition. A place or point where congestion occurs or is likely to occur, especially on a road. A place or point where problems can occur because things are really busy, especially on a road. How does OSHA define a pinch point? Pinch point means any point other than the point of operation at which it is possible for a part of the body to be caught between the moving parts of a press or auxiliary equipment, or between moving and stationary parts of a press or auxiliary equipment, or between the material and moving parts of a press. Well, what is a pinch point romance? Usually by this point the attraction is starting to build, and the characters may even start to think maybe love or a relationship wouldn't be so bad. Sometimes this is where your characters share their first kiss or first intimate moment together. Oh, what is all this? 1/4 of an inch. All this could mean something. Pinch point hazard. Any place where equipment is transmitting energy, there is a pinch point. There is a hazard. This hazard is everywhere in the workplace. A pinch point or pinch point hazard is a common class of mechanical hazard where injury or damage may be done by one or more moving objects moving towards each other, crushing or shearing whatever comes between them. A nip point is a type of pinch point involving rotating objects such as gears and pulleys. Pinch points commonly impact fingers and hands, but can impact any area of the body. The injury resulting from a pinch point could be as minor as a blister or as severe as amputation or death. Conveyors, gears, loaders, compactors, and other moving equipment are examples of machinery with pinch points. All right. Amy Bradley. So I want to see if the cards come out for her. Again, I know that one card. The other ones I don't remember. Okay. Suspected of a crime. Amy Bradley. How can they find you? What do they need to know? What are possible clues? Amy Bradley. Justice. So maybe she's gonna garner some justice in some way. Suspected of a crime: domestic violence, burglary, hit and run, drugs, insurance, bribes, assault, identity theft, robbery, indecent exposure, rape, prostitution, pedophilia, public funds, and the Fifth Amendment. Amy Bradley. Justice, inequality, revenge, jury duty, Supreme Court, vigilantism, play by rules, testify, lawyer, make amends, duty, hearsay, right or wrong, comma, crime, convicted in court, payback. Alright, let me get one of these. Maybe she's near a police station, a courthouse, something to do with machinery, where pinch point hazard would be, possibly near a dock, cemetery, Boy Scout camp, a port, red shoes. Did I say cemetery? Studio. Danger, danger. Somewhere where there's danger signs. Amy Bradley, show us what we need to see. Okay. Fun-shaped nuggets. Something to do with a gun. Held by gunpoint. Fun-shaped nuggets. Playful, fanciful, and imaginative. Amy Bradley, what do we need to know? Okay, I'll go there. Amy Bradley, what do we need to know? Atete, worthiness, could have something to do with the Gemini. I'll read that in 1 second. Something about the hair. Maybe there's a certain salon she goes to that knows something that doesn't know it's her. Let me get a song. 1, 2, 3. One, two. Amy Bradley, what do we need to know? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I just looked at my watch. I got time today. Maybe a jeweler, a watchmaker knows something. Somebody with a jewelry shop. Alright. 6 of Cups. Devil. Page of Cups. Military. Page of Swords. Pedophilia. 7 of Wands. Six. Irritation. Trickery. Tricked into something. A lifestyle, a way of being. Recruiting. Grooming. Nuggets. What is this? What is this right here? Five of Pentacles. Another devil. Horns. Chained. Five of Pentacles, tricked into needing help, tricked into moving, tricked into losing money, tricked into, what is that? Tricked into recruiting, tricked into tricking people to give up something about children. Alright, let's put it this way. Say she's under hostage and they have her open a daycare. It's not something she wanted to do, but 1, 2, 8. I've got 8 skulls here. Alright, let me read that. I can find it. I don't think I can find the book. Oh, here it is. Trying to escape. She's tried plenty of times to escape. And I think has gotten close to escaping plenty of times. But something always happens. I know they say that in the documentary, but seriously, she has tried and tried and tried. I think she is being held hostage. I gotta go. It's gonna thunder soon. Goddess of Worthiness, Ethiopia. Temple Warriors, Element Bush. Great Goddess Atete, Queen of Gods, is a fierce protector of women and girls for the Oromo people of Ethiopia. Atete's guidance: stop hiding, shrinking, and playing small. Stand tall like the majestic sycamore tree. You are mighty. Life does not need to be perfect for you to embrace your own perfection. Meaning, you matter. Worthiness is in your veins. Accept yourself now. Your birth certificate says that we need your overflowing magic, joy, and vulnerability, and most importantly, we need you. You are deserving and worthy. The beautiful parts of you that everyone likes are worth loving. The parts that you or others dislike are worth loving too. Your Creator loves you unconditionally. Quote is, I matter. I'll do a part 2. Thank you.